name's Griffin.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good. Welcome to Loyalton High School. This is our awesome farm day. I think this is farm day number 29 or 28. We have to ask Mr. Leverage. Here comes some students. Everybody wave to the camera.
Everybody give a thumbs up.
Yay, thumbs up. Awesome.
You go and you see a bunch of lambs everywhere. Just be like, they're probably very old. Do you guys remember? Do you guys go to Sunday school or anything? Okay, well at Sunday school you get taught that sheep were like back in biblical times too, so it shows how old they are. Alright, and now Sage is going to talk about the breeds.
Okay, there are different breeds of sheep. So the ones you see here, these are also they're like straight.
There you go. Some are red.
Do you know why pigs play in mud, you guys? Nope, they can't. They don't have sweat glands, so they get really hot and the mud cools them down.
He's like, oh yeah. All right, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Time to change groups. Okay.
Do you know which kind these are? You want to guess? No? Boys and the girls? See, there's the male, there's a boy, and these are two girls. You guys know where the ear is?
It's that little round thing on their head.
Yep, that's right. You know where their beak?
Ellie has a question.
What? They're kind of mean sometimes, this one is.
The sheeps are creeping out. It's okay, I'll stand next to you, okay? They won't get you. Alright, listen.
Okay. You need some help.
White cow?
You guys can go over there. And you're going to write a name down. You can put your name up.
What do you call a boy chicken, right?
Did you guys all get to pet the chicken? Once you're done with the petting the chicken, go get some hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about them though, because they're not on.
Look at him, dude.
Right,
I'm not feeding him anymore.
We're gonna go play with some dirt.
Play some dirt? No way! I don't want. What are the worms? I hate worms.
Worms are awesome.
Wait, without worms, I got
Could you guys give a guess what vermiculture is?
Where are the worms?
What is it?
A worm?
I see one.
Pay attention to Sam.
Could you guys guess what vermiculture is? Based on there's worms in there?
That isn't.
So you worms. And worms, do you know what they do for us? No?
I see one. I see one.
Yeah, if you could pay attention to Sam up here, she would tell you all about the worms.
You guys, any guesses what this was?
We gotta keep it in here so we can.
I want to take it to Mom. Mom's got a nail. Why is there a nail?
Anyways,
There's a nail in there.
it's part of the worm barrel. But anyways, vermiculture is the study of worms, of course. But
So without worms, we wouldn't have any plants.
any plants. No.
Now, is that true?
Yeah. Yes, it's 100% true. Worms, their food is called casting.
I got the worm.
And it makes the
There's
plant.
a worm. I got the worm.
Guys, stop playing with the
It makes it all fertile,
Hey,
so
I
we
got
can
the worm
grow food and stuff. Did you know that a worm has 4 hearts? So if you were to cut this worm in half, in a couple of weeks or months, it would grow into 2 worms. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I've been.
Who knows what else chickens are good for? Anybody?
Who likes eating chicken?
Anyone who likes
chicken? KFC. You can't refuse KFC.
like fried chicken? You like fried chicken and mashed potatoes?
If you're not eating, we have to stop.
You guys like fried chicken?
Do Mikey?
No, you don't like fried chicken?
The leg wraps are just to ensure that the horse doesn't scrape himself or herself when riding thoroughly, and
The bell boots are just for when your horse has fresh shoes on and they're going really fast. You don't want them to come up and pull the shoe off.
There you go. And swing this.
So basically, it's just another form of protection.
There you go.